Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to generate a brand new secret API key for ChatGPT using OpenAI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to platform.openai.com. Log in using your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, click on Sign Up to create a free account. Once logged in, click on Dashboard from top menu. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on API Keys under the User Settings section. Now, click the Create New Secret Key button on the top right. Then one pop-up will appear. Then give your key a name if you want. It's optional but helps with organizing keys later. Also select Project if you want to manage your API for any specific project. Then select permission based on your requirement. If you don't know, then select All as default. Now click Create Secret Key button. Your new secret key will appear on the screen. Copy it immediately. This is the only time you'll see it. Store it somewhere secure, like a password manager or a safe note. Never share your API key publicly. It gives access to your account's usage and billing. If you think it's been exposed, delete it and generate a new one right away. And that's it. You've got your ChatGPT API key ready to use in your projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you want to follow up on how to use this key in your apps.